بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِّرٍ. We have made the Holy Quran easy, so is there anyone to be admonished thereby? हमने कुरान पाक को आसान कर दिया है, तो है कोई नसीहत करने वाला? O Allah, verily I beseech you in your name. O Allah, give me the strength to impart my knowledge with people through these videos and simultaneously get the reward of preaching. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you would be pretty good and may God keep you safe and sound. Today in this video, I'm available with the word Beseech family along with pronunciation, meaning and usage, etc. At the end of this video, I will also recite a part of Dua Joshne Kabir, which means beseech, as there are references in many heavenly books that Joshne Kabir is the remedy for all sufferings and issues, with the exception of death. Before moving on to the topic, I would urge you, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be notified of all my upcoming videos and take advantage. So let's move on to the topic. Beseech. Word forms: third person singular, present tense beseeches, present participle beseeching, past tense and past participle beseeched. Verb: to request someone eagerly to do something in a way that shows you need it very much. मिन्नत व समाजत करके मांगना, इल्तिजा करना, इस्तिदा करना, अजजाना तलब करना. For example, she beseeched me to stay a little longer. इसने मुझे कुछ देर ठहरने की इल्तिजा की. Beseecher, noun, a person who asks somebody desperately and intensely to do or give something. मिन्नत व समाजत करने वाला, मुल्तजी, मुल्तमिस. For example, he is no longer the receiver but the beseecher. वो अब वसूल करने वाला नहीं रहा बल्कि इल्तिजा करने वाला यानी मांगने वाला है. Synonyms: beg, ask, petition, call upon, plead with, solicit, implore, entreat. Beseeching, adjective, of a look, expression, gesture, tone of voice, etc., showing that you need something very much. मिन्नत व समाजत से, आजिज़ी से, इल्तिमास के साथ. For example, he requested the deputy commissioner with beseeching eyes for his son's job. उसने डिप्टी कमिश्नर से अपने बेटे की नौकरी के लिए जब बड़ी नजरों से दरख्वास्त की, यानी अजजाना दरख्वास्त की. Beseechingly, in a beseeching manner, यानी आजिज़ी से, मिन्नत व समाजत करके. For example, he looked up beseechingly at me. इसने आजिज़ी से मेरी तरफ देखा. Now I am going to recite Dua Kumal, which is the best dua, and your supplication will be granted. Furthermore, from this you will effectively comprehend the importance of beseech. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka bi rahmatika allati wasi'at kulla shay wa bi quwwatika allati qaharta biha kulla shay. O Allah, I beseech you by your mercy, which embraces all things, and by your strength, through which you rule all things. बारे इलाहा, मैं तुझसे सवाल करता हूँ तेरी रहमत का वास्ता देकर कि जो हर चीज को चाहिए हुए है और तेरी कुव्वत का वास्ता देकर जैसे तुझे हर शय पर कारी हासिल है. Another dua. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum bi rahmatika astaghis. O alive and everlasting one, I beseech you by your mercy. ए जिंदा और हमेशा रहने वाले, मैं तुझसे तेरी रहमत की इल्तिजा करता हूँ. Note please, we use besought as a past simple and past participle of beseech, but this is old use and literary and we shouldn't use normally. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.